Once upon a time, in a green jungle, there lived a big elephant named Ellie. Ellie was strong, kind, and loved by everyone. But one day, while walking through the forest, she accidentally stepped on a tiny mouse's tail. "Ew! Please don't hurt me," squeaked the mouse. Ellie quickly lifted her foot and said kindly, "Oh dear, I'm so sorry, little one." The mouse blinked in surprise. "You're not angry?" Ellie smiled. "Of course not. I would never hurt a friend." From that day, the mouse and elephant became best friends. They played together, shared fruits, and helped other animals in the jungle. But one afternoon, hunters came into the jungle. They set a big net trap and caught poor Ellie. She trumpeted loudly for help, but no one could get her free. Then the tiny mouse heard her cries. He ran as fast as his little legs could go and began nibbling the ropes with his sharp teeth. Soon Ellie was free again. Ellie lifted the mouse onto her head and said, "Even the smallest friend can do great things." The mouse smiled proudly. "That's what friends are for." And from that day on, all the animals in the jungle learned to be kind no matter how big or small you are. Moral: kindness and friendship have no size.